Bonjour, bonjour les amis. Hello my friends. I hope that you are all doing well. Welcome to another French video, and we are again today going to sing a song. This song is called Le Bon Roi d'Agobert. First of all, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the song Le Bon Roi d'Agobert. So what does it mean? So this song, first of all, is from the 18th century. Say the 18th century, but in fact, it's the one that we know. It's from the 18th century, but there was a song that apparently was much older. And where does this song come from? It was a song to make fun of the king. So apparently they make fun of the last king, Louis XVI. You know, the last king, the one who was beheaded, Louis XVI, the last king of France. Not the last king, because but the one who was beheaded during the French Revolution, you know, Louis XVI. And you know, in the song, it's about the King Dagobert. So King Dagobert, they are the old king in the old time. So he's dead in year. So it's in the 7th century. 7th century, it's King Dagobert, and this king we say les rois fainéants. Fainéants, they are the king that they said at some point they have no more power, and they were like always lazy and doing nothing, and that's what and they lost the power at some point. And anyway, that's what the history said about them. But all this is fake. I think it's what happens is that the power was taken from them, and then the next one just invented some story and show them as a lazy and useless king and weak, and therefore it's right that they shouldn't be king anymore, But anyway, this song was used not to criticize them, but to criticize the last king of France, Louis XVI, and to show him as someone who is lazy, not doing his job as a king, So we are now going to see together the song. The song is very long, it's very, very long, and is the advisor. So you have the king and the advisor of the king. So they are two people, and every time the king is doing something wrong, then the advisor say, no, don't do it this way. You will be scared, or you should do it that way. Or no, if you do this, you will hurt yourself. Or no, if you do... So, okay. Maybe let's just see the first strophe, the first paragraph, okay. First. So let me explain to you. Le bon roi. Le bon roi means the good king. The good king. Bon roi means someone who is bon, is nice, is kind, is good. Le bon roi d'Agobert. But here it's a little bit cynical. Like, oui, il est bon, hein, il est bon. He's nice, he's nice, he's nice. When you say this to someone, he's like, he's nice. He's weak. It means he's weak. In France, we have a saying, we say trop bon, trop con, which means if you are too nice, you are too stupid. People will take everything from you. So, il est bon, hein? Ouais, il est gentil, hein? Il est gentil, hein? Il est bon. Hein? She's nice, hein? He's nice. He's very stupid or very weak. Le bon roi, so the nice king, Dagobert. So Dagobert is the name of the king. Okay. A mis sa culotte à l'envers. Culotte is the underwear, culotte. The underwear. Do I have a culotte to show you? Wait. La culotte. La culotte, ok. La culotte, yeah, la culotte. La culotte à l'envers. So, il a mis la culotte à l'envers. He put it on the other side. So, instead of putting it this side, he put it on the other side. Or maybe à l'envers, it could also be this side. I'm not sure. He put it on the other side, Okay. Le grand Saint-Éloi. So, le grand Saint-Éloi is the advisor of the king, which the advisor of the king, okay. Maybe someone talking to him, the voice of God or something. I think, I'm not sure. It's the advisor of the king. Lui dit, ô mon roi. So he told him, lui dit, ô mon roi, ô my king, votre majesté, your majesty, your grace, est mal culottée. Didn't wear the underwear well. C'est vrai, it's true. Lui dit le roi, told him the king. Je vais la remettre à l'endroit, which means I am going to put it back on the right side. So the song is always like this. The good king Dagobert did something wrong, and then you didn't put this, and then the So, the good King Dagobert wanted to do this, and then le grand Saint-Éloi, the advisor, told him, you should do it. The good King Dagobert wanted to swim, and no, you don't know how to swim. Remember, you will kill yourself. He wanted to use a big sword, and then no, you will cut yourself. Don't use the sword, you know. Or he wanted to no, don't eat this. You will get sick if you eat this. So they always show the king as someone very weak and very stupid. Oh, okay. So let's repeat together. Hein. Le bon roi Dagobert a mis sa culotte à l'envers. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit: oh, mon roi, votre majesté est mal culottée. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi, je vais la remettre à l'endroit. Maybe I will go a little bit slow, because I think I went too fast here. Tell me in the comment section if sometimes you think, oh, you talk too fast, or you go too fast, or you want this, and I will try my best. So you can give me suggestions, you can give me ideas. Yeah. Le bon roi Dagobert a mis sa culotte à l'envers. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit: oh, mon roi, votre majesté est mal culottée. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi, je vais la remettre à l'endroit. Le bon roi Dagobert a mis sa culotte à l'envers. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit: oh, mon roi, votre majesté est mal culottée. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi, je vais la remettre à l'endroit. Let me ask you a few words to see if you remember the words of the song. The first one is the underwear. How to say the underwear? La culotte. Okay. How to say? There are many words again. Culotté is someone who is very daring. He has no shame. Culotté, maybe. How to say? Yeah, that's true. C'est vrai. Told him. He told him. Lui dit. Told him. The good king. Le bon roi. The good king. Okay. Your grace. Majesté. Votre majesté. Okay. Let's sing it together. I think it's best with the yeah, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's do it together. Le bon roi Dagobert a mis sa culotte à l'envers. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit: oh, mon roi, votre majesté est mal culottée. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi, je vais la remettre à l'endroit. Le bon roi Dagobert a mis sa culotte à l'envers. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit: oh, mon roi, votre majesté est mal culottée. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi, je vais la remettre à l'endroit. One more time. Le bon roi Dagobert a mis sa culotte à l'envers. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit: oh, mon roi, votre majesté est mal culottée. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi, je vais la remettre à l'endroit. Okay, one more time. Last time, okay? Le bon roi Dagobert a mis sa culotte à l'envers. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit: oh, mon roi, votre majesté est mal culottée. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi, Je vais la remettre à l'endroit. And all this is like this, hein, if you want, if you want, we'll do it all of it, hein. You can ask me in the comment section if you say, oh George, I want to, okay, then I will do it. If you have enough thumbs up and if you click on the things that, yeah, okay, we can do it all of it if you want. Yeah. So there are many, so this one. Le bon roi Dagobert fut mettre son bel habit vert. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit, oh mon roi, votre habit paraît au coudret percé. So his clothes is as a hole in here. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi. Le tien est bon, prête-le-moi. So, hey, your clothes has a hole here. He tell him, oh yeah, that's true. Yours is good. Give me yours. You know, lend me yours. Lend me your coat. You know, so all of it is like this. Huh? So, for instance, oh yeah. Le bon roi Dagobert faisait peu sa barbe en hiver. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit, oh mon roi, il faut du savon pour votre menton. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi. As-tu dessous, prête-les-moi. So this is the same. So the king didn't shave his beard in winter. So his advisor tells him, oh, you need some soap to put on your beard so you can shave it, you know. And say, oh, that's true, said the king. Lend me 2 coins so I can buy the soap. So all of this is like this. Yeah. That's nonsense. Okay, this one is funny. Le bon roi Dagobert voulait conquérir l'univers. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit, oh, mon roi, voyager si loin donne du tintouin. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi, il vaudrait mieux rester chez soi. So the good king wanted to conquer the universe. And then his advisor told him, oh, you know, if you travel so far away, you have a headache. Or you will not feel good. That's true, said the king. I better stay at my home. So, all of it's like this. Oh, yeah. Everything is like this. Huh? So, there's the one... Le bon roi Dagobert avait un grand sabre de fer. Le grand Saint-Éloi lui dit, oh mon roi, votre majesté pourrait se blesser. C'est vrai, lui dit le roi, qu'on me donne un sabre de bois. So they say, he had a big sword made of steel. And his advisor told him, oh mon roi, your grace could hurt itself with the steel. And the king says, that's true. Give me a wooden sword. You know. Okay, bon, anyway, that's funny. And he's a famous king, hein, le bon roi Dagobert. Okay. I don't know which dynasty it was, but 7th century. Hein, 7th century. Okay. Bon, à bientôt. Take care, everyone. I love you all.